Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Lexus badge. First, let's gather everything you'll need for this project. You'll want a heat gun or a hair dryer, a plastic trim removal tool or some strong fishing line, and a good quality automotive adhesive remover. Don't forget a soft microfiber cloth and some painter's tape to protect your vehicle's finish. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient. Now let's get to the removal. Begin by carefully taping around the badge with painter's tape to safeguard your car's paint. Next, use your heat gun or hair dryer to warm the badge for about 1 to 2 minutes. This softens the adhesive, making it much easier to remove. Then, gently slide your plastic trim tool or fishing line behind the badge, working slowly to separate it from the vehicle's surface. Remember, patience is key here. After the badge is off, you'll likely have some sticky residue left behind. Don't worry, this is normal. Grab your automotive adhesive remover and spray a small amount directly onto the remaining adhesive. Let it sit for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, allowing it to break down the stickiness. Then, with a clean microfiber cloth, gently wipe away the softened residue. You might need to repeat this step once or twice for a perfectly clean surface. For the final touches, carefully inspect the area to ensure all adhesive is gone and there are no scratches. Give the spot a quick wash with mild car soap and water, then dry it completely with a fresh microfiber towel. To protect the paint where the badge once sat, consider applying a layer of wax or sealant. And remember, always test any chemical product, like adhesive remover, on a small, hidden spot first to ensure it won't harm your paint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.